Welcome to Kayley's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making creamy avocado sauce. You can use it on all sorts of things, from chip to chicken. All you need is water, olive oil, garlic powder, avocado, juice from a lime, and a food processor or a blender. Start by cutting the avocado and putting it into the food processor. I'm using a knife especially for kids. If you want one, go check it out in the description below. Now put it in the food processor or blender. Next, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, juice 1 lime. Then add it to the mixture. Then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you like this video, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and put hashtag Kitchen Squad into the comments. Now a tablespoon of water. Blend until smooth. If it's still too thick, add water. And that's all there is to it. Delicious.